And I had the camera off when it quit.
Oh, so it knew.
Yeah. See if I can restart this.
It knew.
Yeah.
Say, okay, we're done. I go home, gotta get a cookie.
Yeah. Well, it's been running for an hour.
There we go.
Alright, let's
Crank up the power. Oh. What's that one? Oh, fuel.
So, there. We'll see if it'll run for a little bit longer now with the adjustment on the fuel. The other thing I'm checking is I've got this water hopper full of water, and some of the other engines I've had have leaked, so keeping it full of water means that I can check to see if it leaks the water hopper, but it seems to be okay on that.
I don't see any steam coming out of it though. Or is it not work like that?
It's not. This engine isn't running hard enough for it to be making any steam right now.
Okay.
So
I'm so fast on this.
yeah.
Oh, there you go. Oh, come on, girl. Come on, girl. Oh.
All right.
Figure out what's
Okay. Well, I think we've run a fair bit. I might need to see if it needs to clean. But
what day of the week is it?
it is Wednesday,
It's Wednesday.
the 29th of November. So
Almost Easter. Anyway, I gotta do what I gotta do. It's always a pleasure.
yep. I'll